Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, MADNESS Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install a GoPedal in your Alfa Giulia or Stelvio. The only tools needed is maybe a flashlight. Alright, the first step is you're going to disconnect the plug on the top of the gas pedal. You're going to just pull out on this clip here, remove this. You're going to take your GoPedal, you can put your GoPedal right there on top of the gas pedal, push and lock, and then same with the GoPedal and the stock harness. Slide them together, push and lock, and there you go, your GoPedal's installed. So what I do is I'll run the cable along here, underneath this panel here, and up to the center console. Now that the GoPedal's installed, you're going to turn it on. So without putting your foot on the brake, you're going to turn the car on. And you're going to turn your pedal on. Okay, so you have 3 settings on top. This is Eco, that's Sport, and that's Sport Plus. You also, on each 3 setting, you can detune it by 3 and up tune it by 3. You also turn it off, Eco, detune by 3, up by 3. Same with Sport, down, up. And then no lights would be neutral. Alright, to pair it to your phone, what you're going to need to do is download an app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Once you've done that, open the app, okay, and you're going to pair, okay, and then you're going to press and hold. It's going to blink at you. Alright, now you're paired. So you got to hold that plus button down to pair it to the app. Off, on, Eco, and now also, there you go, just like that. Sport, same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Race. Alright, one thing I do want to mention, you do not want to be messing with this when you're driving down the road. In other words, messing with these buttons at the same time driving and putting your foot on the accelerator. Do this in a parking lot, set it up. If you don't like the setting, pull over, adjust your setting either with your phone or the buttons here. You just don't want to give 2 messages to your accelerator pedal. That is how you install the GoPedal in your Alfa Giulia or Stelvio. Any questions, give us a call or email.